Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today let's take ourselves around the Bybit. Let's look at into Bybit pool and see how we can earn free tokens. Alright. So before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. What do you need to do? All you just need to do is to locate your launch pool. How do you locate your launch pool? You're coming over to this place to click on more if you haven't seen it here, but if it's readily available at the first site, it is okay. But if it is not available, you click on more here and to see more in order for you to what to look for your launch pool. All right, I'm going to click on my launch pool here. If you click on launch pool here, it's going to navigate you to somewhere like this. All right, look at it carefully. It's going to show you that you should stake and earn tokens for free. Okay, so all these ones are coming soon. They're coming soon. But what about the ones that are currently available? The ones that are available are here. You can see the MNT pool register. The price pool is $6 million, and the pay is 800% for VIP. For VIP is 960%. You can see it's 100%, it's 800% for everyone. But as for VIP, Bybit VIP is 960% APR. Okay, let's look at the USDT pool, because these two are what are readily available. The USDT pool says take USDT to NF. So what you do here, you take USDT, but what you're going to earn is F. And the first one also, what you're going to stake is MNT, but what you will earn is F. So what is available right now to earn for free as a tokens is F, which will be listed or launched in the nearest time. The days time are already counting down. It's in 4 days and 2 hours with some few seconds. All right, so I advise always to stake USDT. Do you know why? Because USDT is a stable coin. Your money cannot be reduced. But if you stake MNT, the value might fluctuate, and when it does, it's going to affect your investment. So my advice here is stake USDT. But if you want to stake the MNT, what will you do? You just need to come to this place to click on register. If you click on register, it's going to show you that you have successfully registered for the event. Get ready to stake MNT USDT to grab a piece of prize pool when the staking begins. Alright, register and stand by. You can see I've been registered for the board now. It's asking you to stake in. When would you stake in? You stake in 4 hours. In the next 4 hours, 21 minutes and few seconds, which is rightly showing here. The moment it's available, you can just click on this to stake in. Why I'm draping this ahead of the staking date is for you to be prepared. Watch it carefully. Find exactly where it is on your app so that you can stay ready for the staking. Okay. Alright, so that's the same thing you're going to do on USDT, but don't forget, I advise you stake USDT. If you want always to be notified at your notification center, come to this place to click on subscribe. Down here, click on subscribe and dodging. Okay, you can see those one has ended, Mofo has ended, Mofo pool, MNT pool, all those ones have ended. But these other two I just showed to you, they are yet to commence. So you stay carefully, register and always come back to watch so that you can know exactly when it will begin. and so you can earn from it. All right. So if you do have any question, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. But you must understand that before you stake, your money must be in the funding wallet, okay, not a unified trading account. You must move your fund. If it's in unified trading account, move it to funding wallet before you can trade, before you can stake. All right. So if you do have any question, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.